In this video, we're going to apply the formula for the area of a circle. Use the given information to solve the problems, show all of your work and include units in your answers. Write your answers in exact form and in rounded form. So remember, exact form means that we're going to use pi, and rounded form means we're going to estimate pi with the decimal 3.14, and we'll round to the hundredths place. Okay, so Liz bought a 14-inch pizza. Let's draw a picture. There's the pizza. The server said the 14-inch measurement referred to the diameter of the pizza. So there's the center. The diameter goes all the way across, and this is 14 inches. What is the area of the pizza? Okay, so first we're going to write our formula. Area equals pi r squared. And notice in this case we're given the diameter. So you really have to be careful of that. It's tempting to just throw the number they give you in for the radius. The radius is the only number you need to find to use this formula. But the radius is going to be the diameter divided by 2, which is 7 inches. Okay. So our area equals pi times 7 squared. Okay, and we're going to first exponents, so we're going to square 7, and we get pi times 49, and we always write the number in front of pi. So this is 49 pi, and our units are inches squared. So remember, this is how many little squares would fill up this circle, since we're finding area. Now so this was the exact form. Now let's find the approximate form. And for the approximate, we'll just take our result here, but replace pi with 3.14. So 49 times 3.14 square inches. We'll do this on the calculator. So 49 times 3.14, and to 2 decimal places, that's 153.86. 153.86 square inches of pizza. Let's look at the next one. Okay, here we're not given a context, we're just given a diagram, so we're going to need to interpret the information in the diagram. So are you given the radius or diameter of the circle? How do you know? So notice it starts at the center of the circle and it goes halfway across. So this is the radius. So we're given the radius and it's halfway across the circle from the center. So that's how we know it's the radius. And now we take our formula. Okay, we can just put 7 inches directly in our formula for the exact form. So we have pi times 7 squared, which is 49 pi inches squared. Oh, this is the same value as the last one. Okay, so in rounded form, we're going to approximate with 3.14. And we should have this value still on the calculator. 49 times 3.14 is 153.86 inches squared. Okay, let's look at the next one. So here's our circle. Okay, and we're given this value, and we're asked, are you given the radius or diameter? How do you know? And this is the diameter because it goes from one side of the circle all the way to the other. So we're given the diameter, and we know because it's across the entire circle through the center, not just halfway. Okay. Oh, so this says circumference, but we want to find the area. So please fix that. So find the area of the circle in exact and a rounded form. So the area is pi r squared. Now the radius is going to be half the diameter which is 3.1 miles. Okay. So that will be pi times 3.1 squared. Let's see what 3.1 squared is. 9.61 pi, and our units are miles squared. Okay, so this is our exact form. Let's find our rounded form. We're going to replace pi with 3.14. And we'll compute this on the calculator and round to 2 decimal places. So multiply that by 3.14. And to 2 decimal places, this is 30.18. So our result is 30.18 square miles.